Okay, so this time it's going to be a Dairy Queen Wonder Woman Cookie Collision Blizzard. I got the snack size, or mini. As you can see, it's kind of melting there. So better for you. Okay, so I'm going to try and dig into this without getting too much everywhere there. There in the description, I'll list what's in it. Oh, it's just so good. It's not too chocolatey. It's got nice brownie pieces, cookie dough bits. So this is how warm it is, even in the mall. It's like soup almost. I don't know if you guys can see there. Fine with me, I'll eat a spoon soup. This mini wasn't even cheap. I think it was $4 something Canadian. So, it's definitely a real treat. 5 out of 5. It's got nice chocolate taste, but at the same time it's not too sweet. The cookie dough bits and the brownie bits mix in really well with this. I definitely recommend you guys try it. It should be around for summer, I believe. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite blizzard or if it is from Dairy Queen. And if you guys should subscribe and hit that bell. Bye guys.